As you can see, I've got in the last stages before I can start it up, and that is getting this wire loom put together, get it all plugged in. I've got to get some sensors. I've got the fuel lines all run. There's the regulator, and then I've got the breather catch can for the motor, the fuel throttle cable, AC lines, AC condenser, so it's getting real close. Running all the lines took a long time. See all the wiring for the headlights and turn signals up here, and I got the remotes finished up. And I've got most of the, no, I guess I've got all the switches, and the AC is all plumbed in through the floor. And you can see this is my overdrive. This is my four-way flashers. And I got these cool mirror flashers or turn signals. Got the interior light. Gotta have one of those in case we're out after dark. Get the key in there. Oh, wow, that's bright. Now go back here. This is on remote too. And you can see my batteries, one on each side. There's my system for the remote key fob system. And we'll come around here. And see the rest of my wiring. You can hear the turn signals. Well, this system's on a timer, so they'll run for 20 seconds, or you can adjust it, and then they'll shut off automatically. There's my electrical panel, which is pretty cool. Tells you what's going on. And then the power windows. Right and left. And there's the emergency brake. Killer. And more of that loom for the fuel injection system, which is, I'm getting some help on that here real soon. I'm not real familiar with these new systems. I'm going to come around here. You can see my electrical panel. When things are connected, it turns on the lights. It tells you what's working, what's not working. my 4-way flashers. See, all 4 of them are working. So it tells you it's a really cool electrical panel. Then of course this is for the Terminator, the fuel injection, of course the ignition box. This was a task getting this master cylinder all hooked up. These lines back here were really tight to get in there. And the brake switch, ain't a whole lot of room. There's my overdrive control. There's my Hottronics, that's my turn signal system, which is all automatic. So it's coming along. The next step is to fire it up. Of course, we know it will run. We've already had it dynoed with a 4-barrel carburetor, though. It should run a lot better with this system. So I'll put together another film when I get a little further.